pixels.cool.
Welcome to you. In this third explainer, we're going to install a paid Unity asset called VRIF, V-R-I-F. This is the VR interaction framework, and view the supplied demo VR scene that comes with it in our Quest headset. Remember that when we refer to a Quest, we mean any Meta Quest device. When you search the asset store for VR, you'll get literally thousands of results. We found one of the best VR assets for getting started to be VRIF, the VR interaction framework. It's regularly updated, well priced, and includes lots of VR interactions, including picking up and throwing items, climbing, and even sliding down a zip line. You'll need to pay for VRIF to add it to your Unity account, ready to install in our existing project. We've opened our existing City 1 project. Go to Window, Package Manager, and look for My Assets. Download the VR interaction framework and import it into the existing project. Agree to any additional requests when prompted. Remember, it's common for Unity to require additional installs and even restarts while you're importing assets. Now all our assets are installed, it's time to learn a bit more about the Unity editor itself. If your screen looks a lot different to this, you can reset the interface to its default state by going to Window, Layouts, Reset All Layouts. Down here towards the bottom left of the window is the Project Explorer. This shows a folder structure a bit like when you're working with regular Windows files and folders. The VRIF asset has created this BNG framework folder. In here, open the Scenes folder and double-click on the XR demo scene. In a Unity project, you can have any number of scenes. Each could be a separate level of a game, for example. This XR demo scene may look basic, but it's designed to be explored in a VR headset. To rotate your scene view, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard while holding down your left mouse button and move your mouse left and right. You can zoom in and out by rolling your mouse wheel, and you can strafe by holding down your Alt key and holding down the mouse wheel. A useful tip to zoom into a specific item is to click on it and then tap the F key on your keyboard to focus on it. There are lots of ways to navigate Unity scenes in the editor, and of course loads of help online. Just search for Navigate Unity Scenes. You can switch to Game View here at any time to run the game inside the editor. Then just click the Play button. This is mainly designed for testing regular 2D and 3D games, but it also works okay with VR builds, where we can use our mouse and the WASD keys to explore. But with VR projects, there's of course no substitute for testing them in an actual VR headset. Let's send the VRIF demo scene to our Meta Quest headset. Start by going to File, Build Settings. The only scene we want to build is the XR demo scene, so just uncheck any others. We're going to be building for Android, which is why we included it in our Unity installation. Select it, and then click here on Switch Platform. This is a one-time only process for the project, and may take a few minutes to complete. If you haven't already done so, connect your Quest headset to your computer now with a USB cable. Remember, you need to enable developer mode on the headset. If you've yet to do this, search online for Enable Quest Developer Mode and follow the instructions. Now the VR headset's connected, look into it and just check in case there's a message about allowing debugging. Select to allow this before continuing, and do the same for any additional messages you see in the headset. To check that Unity is successfully linked to the headset, have a look at the options available here under Run Device. You should find your Quest device on the list, like this. Click on Build and Run. Give the file we're going to send to the headset a file name. This is a separate file to the scene itself. Unity starts building the Android APK package, after which it sends it to the headset. This will take a few minutes depending on your computer. Success! You can now check out the VRIF XR demo scene in your Quest headset. All these interactions are going to be available to us when we start to build our own interactive VR city in the next explainer.
Pixel stuff cool.